This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our left side view and this is our front view. Okay, so first of all, I'll start drawing from the right side. In the right side, first of all, I'll draw this circle, and this circle has a radius of 40 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 75 unit. I will extrude boss into in the direction 1. I will extrude boss it to 20 unit. Okay, in the direction 2, I will extrude boss it to 70 minus 20 unit. After that, we can see we have another shape like this one, and for drawing this shape I will again go back to my right plane, and in my right plane I'll draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 55 unit. Then I'll draw two uh, two offset line, and both of the offset line has a total distance of 65 unit, so half distance will be 60 divided by 65 divided by 2. Then I'll close cap this shape, then I'll extrude boss, it to 25 unit. Okay, after that portion has been done, we can see in our sketch we have a circular cut here. Okay, and this circular cut has a diameter radius of 22.5 unit. Then we can see along this circular cut we have a thin rectangular cut. For drawing this thin rectangular cut, I along with this circular cut, okay, I will draw a center line, and this center line has a greater distance than 55 unit. Okay, it will have a greater distance than 55 unit. Then I'll offset two lines, and as the total offset is at 3 units, so the half offset will be 1.5 unit and 1.5 unit. Then I'll close the shape, then I'll trim this extra portion, then I'll to cut. I will to cut it to through all. Okay, then we can see we have an incline cut. For that I'm going to draw an incline line from this point. You can see it has a vertical distance of 40 unit, so you can see that this point is situated at the center, so you can dimension it or you can situate it at the center of the circle. Okay, then draw an incline line and dimension it from this horizontal line is 45-degree angle. Then I'll draw and convert into this line here, and draw another converting this line here. Then I'll is to cut it to both way. Then we can see in our sketch we have a hole wizard tool here. Okay, so here we use the hole wizard portion, and this portion we can see has a diameter of 15 unit, and it has a extrude cut of 8 unit. Then we can see this portion. Okay, this portion has a diameter of 9 unit, and we will go give a depth of 65 unit in our whole wizard. So all the things has been explained properly. Now go back to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I am going to select my right plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Okay, after that select the circle tool from here. Now draw a circle, and this time this circle has a radius of 40 units, so the diameter will be 40 multiplied by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss. Now let's boss it to in the direction 1. Okay, let me blind it. In the direction 1 I will extrude boss it to 75 minus 20 unit, and in the direction 2 I will extrude boss it to 20 unit. Now press OK. So our first extrude cut cycle has been done. Now again select the right plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now I'll draw another center line. Okay. Now select center line and draw a center line. And this center line has a vertical distance of 55 units. So dimension it to 55 unit. Then select the smart dimension. Then select offset interest tool from here. Now select this line, and as our total distance is 65 units, so the half distance will be 65 divided by 2, so 32 units. Make sure to select bidirectional capping and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 25 unit. Okay, we're going to extrude boss it to 25 unit, and from the mid plane. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Then we can see in our sketch we have a curved circular portion here, Okay, and this curved circular portion has a radius of 12.5 unit, so we need to give a fillet or curved circular portion of 12.5 unit. So we'll give a fillet of 12.5 unit. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. Now select the fillet tools from here. Now dimension it to 12.5 unit. Now select this corner and rotate it, and select this other corner also. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Okay, our this portion has been done. Now select this front face. Now we need to draw the extrude cut circle and thin rectangular circle cut. Yes, thin rectangular cut. For that, I am selecting the circle tool from first here, and this time the circle has a radius of 22.5 units. So multiplied by 2, it will give the diameter. Okay, after that, now select the center line for our thin rectangular cut, and we need to draw give a dimension of greater than 55 unit. Okay, we have given a dimension greater than 55 unit. Then select the offset inches and select this line. As the total offset is 3 units, so half offset will be 3 divided by 2, 1.5 unit. Now make sure to click cap bidirectional cap in and line. Now press OK. Now zoom it here. Okay, now select the trim entities and trim all the unnecessary line that we don't need. So trimming all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut extrude through all both. So cutting into through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now we need to draw the incline cut. For that, I'm selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select a line tool from here. You need to place this from this ground about 40 unit. But as our circle has a radius of 40 unit, we don't need to again dimension it. If we place this at a center line, it will have a vertical distance of 40 unit automatically. So draw an incline line. So after drawing this incline line, I need to select the smart dimension tool, and from this incline line to this, you can zoom it to this horizontal line. Okay, this angle is 45-degree angle. Okay, so dimension it to 45-degree angle. So this dimension has been done. Now press OK. Now you can draw a line here, or you can select this previous existing line. Okay, you can select this previous existing line. Now you can select the you can select the converting entities. Now you can see our line has been converted. Okay, now isometric it for a better view, then normal to it. Now select the trim entities and trim the lines that we don't need. So we don't need these two lines and also this extra portion. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So we can see that our rectangular cut has been done, incline line. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut into through all both. So I'm going extrude cutting into through all both. Now press OK. So our this portion has also been done. Now if you go back to, now it's time for hole wizard. So I'm selecting the hole wizard from tool from here, and now select this one, the legacy hole. Then from that select the counterboard hole, and you can see this shape quite matches our this shape of the hole cut. So here as we have discussed, our the C board diameter is 15 units, so we have given the diameter 15 unit, and it has a 8 unit through. So it has 8 unit through. Our other diameter was 9 units, so it was 9 unit, and the total depth is here to here is 65 units. So we have given the total depth is 65 unit. Now go to position. Now go to 3D sketch. Now position the sketch. If we, as we have said that our this sketch is our left side view. So this portion is, we are seeing, is around this side. Okay, as this is our left side view. So that's why we need to rotate our sketch. Okay, now place this to previous circle or fillet center line, center point, previous fillet center point. Now press OK. So our whole widget has been placed. Now press OK here, and our whole cut has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now finally it's time for the fillet. So in our case we can see this portion or along this line or this line, you can see it has a fillet of radius 12 unit, and in the other side we can see here, we can see it has a radius of R3 unit. There might be radius of R3 unit. If you can see want to give chamfer, you can give a chamfer of 0.5 and 45 degree. I'm not giving the chamfer. If you wish, you can give the chamfer. Here I am giving the fillets of radius 3 unit. Now we are going to our SolidWorks. Now I am selecting the fillet tools from here, and this time our fillet is 12 units. So I'm selecting the dimension of 12 unit here and selecting these two edge. Okay, our this fillet option has been done. Now again I'm going to the fillet option from here, and now we are going to give all the 3 units fillet. So I'm giving all the 3 units fillet here. Now select this circular line, then select this vertical edge. Okay, it will select all the portion that is related to here. Again selected this circular line and this vertical line, it will select automatically all the lines. Now you can select this line, it will also select all the point connecting here. Then you can finally also select these inner lines for all the inner portion of here. Now we can rotate and select this back circular left circular line. Now press OK. So it will take a quite a time. Okay, it is showing broken features because there are some fillets are intersecting each other in this portion. That's why the message was shown. Now press OK. So our fillet has been done quite well. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done a 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.